Taiew Lekman College Week jangka Shillong Commerce College kala Sdang haka arpu sau tarik uyayong bala prida ka principal Dr. Mrs. Sabita Sen marka vice principal Kong Josephine Sibla hapadeng ka Jingshong Shit jangki Samla Pule bat kinong hikai ka nika college. Ka Dr. Sabita Sen kala kuntui ki Samla Pule bakin shim benta ha baro ki jingale kai ban penpau bat penroy ki sapten rai ba bonjai jangki. Kala kuntu bat manaru pakani ka Taiew Lekman kamde ka Taiew lait lan ban pernop haki jingmlin basniu kum katan secret ne ambilor kia. Kalau ong balada syam yanu bale yakini kikam ka transfer certificate kala ap lepa hatengkong na kabenta jangki.
So we've all come together and this will be a really historic college week, I suppose. I was feeling a little disheartened, last week because we were supposed to start the marathon on Saturday, but there was DC's order due to the unprecedented heat in Shillong. DC didn't give us the permission, and even I didn't want to take the risk in case anything went wrong with any one of you. I would have felt guilty. So never mind, as Ms. Josephine says, we will keep on running and we'll come to college every day, and that will complete a marathon probably. Now, college week is a wonderful week, We spent our time. I've been waiting for it ever since I joined college, let me tell you. Even as teachers, we really look forward to college week because we don't have to teach and you don't have to study. So you see, it's a mutual feeling. And we really look forward to see all the hidden talents that you have. College week brings out all the hidden talents that you have. Just now we heard two wonderful songs which one says like he will never give up, he will go up till the sky. The other says, we will not change. We will not change. Our relationship will not change between teachers and students. We don't want change. Of course, the world is so full of change. Every day is changing. But this is one point which I don't want us to change. The relationship between the teacher and the students. And Shillong Commerce College has been a wonderful small family. It's not as big as other colleges, but we are all in one family. We share each other's joys and sorrows, sufferings, happiness, victory, losses. So Shillong Commerce College is a unique college. You must have felt it. Teachers must have felt it. Students must have felt it. You must be feeling it, and you will feel it more, especially the 6 semesters who will be leaving us. It's very sad, to study in a college. Some of you for 5 years in the college, some of you 3 years in the college, and I 37 years in the college. This will be my last college week. I'm going to retire in October. So this will be my last college week. I'm really going to miss it, I'm telling you. I will really miss it. Well, college week gives you the chance to play together. Your team spirit comes up. You work together. You quarrel together. You fight together. You play together. And when you're playing a game, you play like enemies. But after the game is over, you're all friends. So remember that after the war is over, we all have to live like friends. So don't beat up anybody, don't break anyone's legs, don't scratch anyone's eyes, because you have to live again. So that team spirit should be there. And one thing that I realized, when you play games, your attention level is very high. More higher than in the classroom. Am I right? Yes. Because you see, you have to be attentive, otherwise you're a loser. In the class, okay, let the teacher say whatever she says, okay, fine. Whatever she reads, fine. She's looking at the blackboard, she's writing, fine. But if in a game of a basketball, or a football, or a chess, or a carom, if you're not paying attention, then you are the loser. So your attention level is really very, very much at its height. So make sure that you're very attentive and play the game in the game spirit. The sportsman spirit is something very important. And play as, when you're playing, play as a class, plus play as an individual. If it's an individual game, you should be detachedly attached and attachedly detached. That is the mantra of the college week. And then you will find that you will not be affected by the loss or the gain. Because sometimes when you are victorious, you come out first, your ego rises up. You think, oh, I am the best. There's no one better than me. And you feel that's the end of the world. But that's not the end of the world. So you see, you have to remain. Games and sports helps us to make us a very balanced person. That is the only way you can remain balanced. And as a principal, I want that there should be strict discipline in the college. Please see that discipline is maintained. Come with your ID cards. Without ID cards, no entry. Volunteers, please see to it. Because this college is also, our neighboring college is beginning their college week today. So there may be interchange of people coming here and there and trying to create problems. I don't want that kind of problems. So please see, it is your college. Don't allow any outsiders. Of course, the guests are allowed. Outsiders are allowed. They are wonderful guests. They should be always welcome. Because you must have seen, and we don't want people using unwanted things. You can take water, it's very hot. You can take cold drinks, it's very hot. But please do not take any hot drinks in a hot day. Strictly not allowed. I will give you a TC straight away. Last year I had suspended a few students, girl students, for misbehavior, and I still stand in my place. I don't change. When it comes to discipline, I don't change. When it comes to enjoyment, I enjoy. So with these few words, I declare this conference 2023 open. May you all enjoy. You all
Kinong alam juki samla puli bat kinong hikai kilapen kre ya kijing yakop le kai indoor but outdoor ha kani kata Taiew Tamasa.